You may yawn just from thinking about it. Everyone does it, including animals, and you shouldn't try to stop it because your body has to yawn when it occurs. It's one of a body's most infectious, uncontrollable behaviors. There are numerous explanations for why individuals yawn. One widely held belief is that yawning encourages your body to take in more oxygen. Yet, this theory has mostly been refuted. According to research, yawning reveals information about you, your brain's temperature, and your capacity for empathy. In this video, we will be looking into why is yawning so contagious. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. Why is yawning so contagious? It is understood that the conduct is spreadable. One study found that yawning is 6 times more likely to occur after witnessing someone else yawn. Yawn contagion might be connected to a phenomenon known as social mirroring, in which creatures copy the behaviors of others. This includes other actions like itching, crossing one's legs, and laughing. Our 20 yawns typically happen during shared transitional periods throughout the day, which suggests that it is an evolved type of synchronized social behavior. Moreover, contagious yawning might be used to foster greater alertness. As yawning can stimulate alertness, the argument is that humans perhaps evolved to utilize one another as markers of when we should yawn to trigger a more vigilant brain. We also become more aware of our physiological states when we see others yawn. For example, we might not have been aware that we were fatigued until we heard someone else yawn, which served as the cue. How to stop yawning. 1. Cool yourself down. You might also try to go for a walk outside or locating a cooler place where you can unwind and rewind. Drink some cool water or consume a chilled snack, like berries or tiny carrots, if you don't have time to do this. 2. Deep breathing. If you catch yourself yawning excessively, attempt deep breathing exercises via your nose. Perhaps your body requires more oxygen. Also, a study discovered that nasal breathing fully reduced contagious yawning. 3. Get moving. Your brain can also be stimulated by changing up a routine. People often yawn more when they are weary, bored, or stressed. Moreover, consuming too much caffeine or going through an opiate detox might cause excessive yawning. Why do we yawn? Everyone yawns, even the oldest great-grandparent and unborn children. Even animals do it. But why do people and animals yawn? Exactly. Nobody is certain. Nonetheless, there are numerous hypotheses, ideas, as to why humans yawn. One is that we simply don't breathe as deeply as we typically do when we are bored or fatigued. According to this notion, because our breathing has slowed down, our bodies are consuming less oxygen. Consequently, yawning encourages the circulation to carry more oxygen and remove more carbon dioxide. So, yawning would be an automatic reflex that would help us regulate our levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Seems excellent, however. Additional research has shown that increasing oxygen intake does not reduce yawning. Similar to breathing more carbon dioxide, yawning does not increase. Another explanation is that yawning stretches the tissue in the lungs. Stretching and yawning may help you feel more awake by flexing your muscles and joints, raising your heart rate. Although it may be difficult to control your yawn, they are contagious. After all, leaving your lips open is indisputable rudeness. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you know other reasons why yawning is so contagious, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comment section.